Hello guys, Vanessa Montilla for Burgess Institute. Today we're going to learn when to use que and when to use cuál. Let's do it. The general definition says that que is what and cuál is which or which one. While this is normally the case, there are a few situations where they work slightly different. The tricky part comes when we have to translate what is or what are. Is there where sometimes we're going to use que and sometimes we're going to use cuál. Let's establish some rules that are going to help you to translate better from English to Spanish. Every time that we have what is or what are, we're going to use que when we are asking for the definition of something, like ¿qué es eso? What is that? ¿Qué es una taquería? What is a taquería? What is love? ¿Qué es el amor? In all these cases, we're going to use que. We're going to use cuál when we are asking personal or general questions, like ¿cuál es tu nombre? What is your name? Or ¿cuál es tu número de teléfono? What is your phone number? ¿Cuál es la capital de España? What is Spain's capital? ¿Cuál es el edificio más alto de la ciudad de Nueva York? What is the tallest building in New York City? Then we can say that que is like what and cuál is like which, but not when we are using the verb ser after the interrogative word. That was all for today, guys. If you want to take classes with us, you can check the link in the description. I will be back next week with more lessons.